Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padawan. We're back to our latest update on Typhoon Inday. And this is our Saturday, September 10 update brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And if we check now on the latest graph set we issued a while ago, here comes Muifa with local name Inday. Now a full-blown Category 1 typhoon, but it's a gentle typhoon since the enhancement of the monsoon is non-existent as of this time. Just the trough from Muifa, which will bring some rains and thunderstorms across Bicol, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Mimacopa, including Metro Manila and Northern Panay. So mostly this rainfall will be in the afternoon or evening and early morning at times. And Typhoon Muifa will be moving towards the East Taiwan Sea, and is likely to slow down as it passes over the Yaeyama Island chain of the southern islands of Japan. So the eastern or the westernmost outer bands of this typhoon might bring some showers and some winds of 30 to 40 kph across the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, but nothing alarming for the part of these small islands of extreme northern Luzon. Just some gentle winds and rain brought about by this typhoon, unless the track will move more to the west. But so far, most of the computer models are forecasting it to pass over the Yaeyama Island chain or over the East Taiwan Sea. Whereas as the typhoon will pass over these areas, cooler oceanic heat content will be expected to weaken the system once it moves over these areas within the next 3 to 4 days. And if we take a look now on the latest track that we issued last night, so it's still the same, nothing changes. The typhoon is expected to stall or slow down once it passes over or in the vicinity of the Yaeyama Island chain come Sunday through Tuesday, and it might move out of the Philippine area of responsibility late Tuesday or early Wednesday towards the East China Sea. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. You can clearly see here the developing circulation of Typhoon Muifa or Inday as it moves closer towards the East Taiwan Sea, and some of the outermost rain bands are spreading across Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, but these are high to mid-level altostratus or cirrus clouds that will bring cloudy conditions, but only lesser rainfall since the rain bands is quite small as of this time. And here comes the trough from the storm. If we look at it, this is the trough. So it is generating some thunderstorms across the areas that I mentioned a while ago, like Metro Manila, particularly in the afternoon or evening, and also the Bicol region, becoming more intense here across northern Palawan. Coron will also be affected with some thunderstorms, and also across the areas of Mindoro, as well as the Cuyo Island Group and the northern portions of Panay, including Boracay, will see some thunderstorms later in the afternoon or evening because of the trough. There are light winds from the west that could bring some breezy conditions across these areas, but so far the southwest monsoon is quite on a break right now. So far, that's the latest from our satellite animation from Windy. And here's the tracking of all Asian agencies on Muifa or Inday, and most of them agree that the system will pass over or very close to Yaeyama Islands within the next 72 to 96 hours, so that will be within the next 3 to 4 days. And if we take a look at the global models, nothing changes. They all agree, same track towards Yaeyama. And the oceanic heat content as of last night, as you can see, here's the area of cooler oceanic heat content or cold pool of sea surface temperature that will weaken the system a little bit once it reaches a peak of 185 or 200 kph based on the forecast of the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. And the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, it looks like the whole of the Philippine Islands will remain dry with some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening becoming more frequent here along the western sections of Bicol, over northern Palawan, Busuanga and Coron will also be affected over the Calamian group of islands, and also the coastal areas of Occidental Mindoro and Batangas, Cavite, as well as Bataan might also have some rains and thunderstorms, and also over portions of Central Luzon, those afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. This is no longer related to the storm since the southwest monsoon is non-existent as of this time. Okay, so enjoy your weekend. So far, that's the latest for today, Saturday, and we'll return again tomorrow to give you the very latest on the typhoon that is approaching the East Taiwan Sea. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.